I had been questioning my sexuality, but I wasn't sure yet. And I immediately put that on the back burner. And I went, okay, I can't even explore that in this sort of a situation, because if anyone even finds out that I'm questioning whether or not I even am straight, let alone not Catholic, I'll be out on my butt. Like, the administration, I was terrified that they would kick me out. So I went very deep into the closet. I ran into a lot of teachers who didn't agree with my point of view. I was actually taught by the head of school, a class, actually. Like, a bunch of us were thrown into a class because we didn't take religion. Because we weren't forced to take it, but we were forced to take then a philosophy class, which up until the year I came was taught by someone else, except for the head of school. To cut costs, they had fired her or let her go, I don't know. But she ended up teaching, and her name was Mary Keenly, and she and I got into a lot of arguments where the argument would end with her just saying, no, you're wrong, not backing up her statement, and then just moving on, which was very frustrating, because I'm sitting there and I'm trying to learn things, and I'm trying to say, hey, this is what my experience is. This is what the book tells me. This is what you're telling me. Something doesn't, you're the only odd one out here. So not only was I dealing with people who didn't agree with me because of my religion, people who thought I was going to burn in hell or deserve to die because I wasn't Catholic, I was also dealing with bigoted administration staff who weren't going to listen to me.